TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday morning, 30 minutes into the trading day. And markets starting off pretty mixed. We got flat markets, would be S&Ps within 1 point right now, trading at 3,096. You got the Dow negative by 21 points, trading 25,849. NASDAQ positive by 21 points, trading at 99.67. The Russell negative by 16 points, down about 1.1%. And the VIX right now down 1.46 at 33.66. Why don't we start it off with the VIX? Quite an escalation in the market on Friday. The market sells off towards the end of the day. Actually, the real acceleration was basically between about 3:45 and really right at 4 o'clock into 4:15. The market accelerated, even in the futures market, after the technical closing bell at 4 o'clock. You saw the VIX spike to above 35. We've paired that a bit at 33.70. Now, you're looking at the futures market, and the S&Ps, we'll jump over to this. Technically, the futures positive by 23 points. But the reason why you're seeing that is because here's your sell-off on Friday. That's your 345 bar. Here is where 4 o'clock is on the chart. And there's your 4 o'clock to 4:15 bar. And you see where the futures actually end the week is at about 3,058. Meanwhile, we ended 4 o'clock at about 3,084, which is why S&P cash was showing basically flat at 3,082, even though the futures showing positive territory right now. That is after we sold off in the final 15 minutes of the day at 4:15 on Friday. Jumping over to the Dow. The Dow before the sell-off on Friday, we start the day in the Dow at 26,299. You end the day at about 25,500. You opened last night as low as 25,230, and we're a solid almost 500 points, 600 points above that level at 25,694 right now. Oil basically flat at 39.84, holding right near $40. And how about gold catching a bid? 1777 as we speak. Session highs to back it up in gold. We're bumping up near critical levels of 1788, the high we had on April 14th, challenging the upper end of that range this morning in gold. 1777. How about it? And what else do we have? Existing home sales plunging in May. That number coming out at 10 o'clock. But that real estate market, it persists with a 10-year yield this morning at 0.68%. Stay tuned, folks. Come back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Live programming all day at TFNN. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.